In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pause on Life360. This feature is useful when you want to take a break from sharing your real-time location with your circle. It's an easy process and allows you to maintain your privacy while still using the app for other features. So let's get started. First, open the Life360 app on your smartphone. You should see the home screen, which displays your current location and any circles you belong to. This is the starting point for all your activities within the app. If you encounter any issues, make sure that the app is updated to the latest version. Keeping your app updated ensures you have the latest features and security improvements. Once the app is open, you're ready to move on to the next step. Next, select the circle you want to pause. This is important because Life360 allows you to create multiple circles, like family or friends. Each circle can have different privacy settings. By selecting the specific circle, you ensure that only their location sharing is affected, not any others. This tailored approach is key to managing your privacy effectively. Look for the circle name on your screen and tap on it to enter that circle's settings. From there, tap on Settings. You will see a gear icon which represents the settings menu. This area allows you to customize various aspects of your circle. It includes options for notifications, alerts, and location sharing. By tapping on this icon, you will gain access to the settings needed to pause sharing. It's a straightforward step, but it's essential for making the adjustments you need for your privacy. Now tap on Location Sharing. This option is specifically designed for managing how your location is shared within the circle. Here, you will see the current status of your location sharing. It's vital to familiarize yourself with this section. Knowing how to adjust your location settings gives you greater control over your privacy. Once you've tapped on Location Sharing, you'll be able to find the option to pause your location. Next, turn Share My Location off. This action immediately stops your location from being shared with the selected circle. The members will see a notification that says Location Sharing Paused instead of your live location. This gives you peace of mind knowing that your whereabouts are not being tracked. Make sure to double-check that you are turning off the correct circle's sharing, as this action is specific to the circle you selected. Finally, confirm if prompted. Sometimes the app will ask for confirmation to ensure that you really want to pause your location sharing. This is a helpful feature to prevent accidental changes. By confirming your choice, you solidify your decision to pause your location sharing. After this confirmation, you can feel confident that your location is indeed paused for that circle. Your location is now paused for that circle. You can resume sharing your location at any time by following the same steps and turning Share My Location back on. This flexibility is one of the many advantages of using Life360. It allows you to manage your privacy while still being connected when you choose to be. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.